So here is a quick demo of my app. It's a micro work platform where a user can post works as a bounty, in form of a bounty, and people can pick it up to work on based on how good they are. So here is an example of a completed bounty. Then let me just sync the mode here. I'm going to create a new bounty here, and I'm going to put demo bounty as the title. So the target completion date should be 2 days. Let's make it that way. So the communication method will be Discord, and my Discord username is Kubusayo. So the problem description, this supports Markdown, so I can use same content for the description and the technical details. So hello. So I'm going to use same context. Yeah. So the amount I'm paying is just $5, and I'm going to submit. So I had to make approval first, and then make what's this thing called, the submission of the request to the contract. So this is the demo bounty. If I refresh on this end, I can see the bounty on this end. Then there are two things. The process meant when the bounty shows up, it's open, so I can view the bounty to see the problem description and the technical details and acceptance criteria. So I can apply. I can see the applicant. Let me just switch this to light mode. So I can apply to this, and I'm going to put my application message and my Discord username, which is required based on the post of the bounty. So if I set my username to Polanli, for example, and submit. So my application has been posted, and you can see the status has been changed to already applied, and my application message can be seen here. So if I check the bounty tool from this hand, it's the same thing. So I can actually view the applicants being the poster, and I can either accept the applicant or reject the applicant. So for the sake of the video, I'm just going to accept this applicant and send a transaction. So once the applicant is accepted, the status of this bounty will be closed, such that no other applicant can apply anymore. So the applicant has been accepted, and since the applicant is accepted, the applicant can work on the bounty. The applicant can work on the bounty. I think I had some dev issues here to fix. So now let's assume we can actually get in touch with each other for discussion and keep everything updated. Now, assuming I'm done with the work expected to be submitted, then I'm going to submit the work with the description and probably the demo URL to the work done. So I'm going to submit this. So once the work is submitted, the status is in progress. So it's submitted, and I can actually submit the work again if. So checking this now, if I go to the discussion page, I will know that the work is submitted. I can either request changes if I need some changes to be done, and I can either accept the submission if I need to, and we can discuss further on Discord or through any other discussion method we made. So for now, I'm just going to accept the submission and not request changes. So I'll just go ahead to accept submission. So initially, checking the balance, the CSD balance for this user, it's 1.5 CSD. So when I accept the payment on this end, it's going to be updated accordingly, and the project which is meant to be due in 2 days from now, as set initially, be completed, and as seen, the status is completed. If I get back to the post, it should be completed. So it's completed already. So, and if I check the user's balance, it's updated accordingly, and the user is paid out. So that's a quick demo of my app. Thank you.